What's up, guys? Welcome back to Soul Status for another quick hitter video. Tonight we're going to be talking about the Jordan 1 Silver Toes.
Ooh, very nice shoe.
Yeah, let's get right into it.
I'll go first. I mean, I think it's a nice shoe for the women's release. Kind of has that mocha look with the black toe, silver, obviously, different backing. I don't know if they're doing extended sizing. I don't know if anybody could check that out.
Yeah, they're supposed to be doing extended sizing up to women's 16 and a half.
I think that might hit 300, you know, on a resale market, depending on how many they make.
Definitely in big sizes.
In big sizes. Women's sizes never do anything, I mean, but the women will definitely appreciate this shoe, kind of like how they like the mocha ones, and the silver really matches well with the black. I mean, great shoe, great release. I don't see this sitting on shelves for very long.
Well, it's a Jordan 1. It's not going to sit basically no matter what. But this is my favorite color blocking for Jordan 1s.
Okay.
So
I like that black and silver.
No, I'm just like the blocking of the shoe, not even just the actual colors. It could be
toe box.
Yeah, exactly. Anything black toed like that, I'm here for it. So I think that shoe, it's going to go nuts. I feel like I say that about every shoe. Maybe I'm just a hopeless optimistic person when it comes to sneakers. I think everything's going to go way up. But if you can get your hands on these, especially for the guys with big feet who are going to want this shoe, run for it.
Yeah, it's going to be tough.
Oh, it's going to be real tough to get big sizes.
Yeah, because this is really like the first Jordan 1 that's, other than the 85s, that's going to be like really, really sought after, and people are going to just go crazy over this. I mean, you're talking about a February 12th release date.
A lot of ones in February.
Yeah. You're also talking $170 price point. So super affordable.
Cheaper than neutral grays.
Yeah. I don't think the toe box, even though the toe box and the heel are silver, I don't believe it's patent leather. I think it's just regular leather, painted silver. So that's going to be attractive to people.
That is.
Yeah. Black swoosh. Very clean look. This thing's going to, I mean, look at the shadows. Like, look, the shadows are going, I mean, granted, that's even a more basic shoe to me than the silver toes. And that's a $500 plus shoe.
I know.
DS. So.
Sadly.
I missed.
Missed, huh?
I missed on shadows.
You missed and you still didn't buy them for $200, $180.
Sure didn't, and still and haven't bought them since. I look at the pair you got on the used wall all the time. I'm like,
remember,
not with that toe box though.
That's how I met Chadward. Sold me a pair of shadows for $170, and I resold them for $200.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah. So you're going to be hearing this a lot from us, but there's basically a lot of Jordan 1s coming out. A lot of Jordan 1s that people are going to want. So yeah. I definitely think that you shouldn't sleep on this release if it's something that you're interested in, something you want for the personal. I know the resellers are going to, you know, they're chomping at the bit to get after this shoe.
Oh yeah.
Especially in the big sizes. So gentlemen, make sure you're, you know, set up with your sneakers at 5 minutes before 10. Get your pair
secured. Yeah. Pay your local reseller, whatever it is, because they going up there.
Get in the raffles. Do everything you can. And I don't think resale value on small sizes is going to be too high. So
yeah. 225 to 270.
Yeah, max.
Maybe.
Yeah.
I got a question.
Sure.
With like the women extended sizes, with basically the women's Jordans in general, do you think they should do more like shock drops where they go, oh, hey, we're doing these for the girls only, like they did with the Off-White 4s?
No, because you're not fooling anybody. When you do a women's size 16 and a half, we understand you're making it for us.
Yeah.
You know, like I'm a 14 and a half, 15 women's.
And I don't think any woman, they went off their profile. I don't think any woman had a chance when they did that shock release on the 4s to even get a big size. And who knows, because it was only women who had, you know, female profiles. Did they even get access to those bigger sizes? I don't know. Good question. Maybe if you did get access, drop a comment if you do remember. But I mean, like Moose was saying, I don't think it matters. It's the women's sizes aren't going to really resell for much.
Right away.
Right away.
It's a Jordan 1. It'll go up.
Yeah, because I mean, you also have to think women's sizes are also grade school sizes. So there's going to be a lot of kids that this is super approachable. I think that this is a shoe that even stores like ours, we're going to want to stock up on these shoes because especially if they're low, you know, if they're priced low, this is a great shoe for an entry-level sneakerhead, a young teen or somebody in middle school who, you know, wants to get into Jordans. Jordan 1s are hot. They know it, and what better way than a chrome silver toe?
It looks nice. I
Yeah.
think it looks bad.
People are gonna see you walking through the hallways wearing this thing.
Absolutely, looking like the Tin Man. Shout out to the I don't even want to call them shadows, but silver toe.
Want to be shadow mochas? The shadow mochas, we'll call them.
Oh my
I don't
god.
see anything about this that reminds me of Mocha.
The color blocking's the same.
No, but I'm saying like the white midsole, silver, chrome, gray. I mean, I don't know.
I guess the mocha.
Close your eyes, my
Yeah,
friend.
Mocha has a cream
If you were
toe.
colorblind, you'd call that the shadow mocha.
No.
If you're colorblind, give us your opinions and thoughts.
I'd call it the black and gray.
Yes. If you made it through this video, once again, thank you. Like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification, hit the bell icon so you are notified when these videos go live. We will talk to you on the next one.